Hey guys, it's me, back on Entry, and today I'm going to be doing a math tutorial on Ghostface, but in a red color. Ghostface mask in a red color is like the devil's screaming face, but we'll be doing sort of like a crystallized version. We'll be using glitter paper this time, and this one's a bit different. It's unlike any other mask I've made because I'll be using a glitter paper. So we've got a sticker at bottom and a glitter top, so let's try it out. First things first, we're gonna need to cut out a design for it. Now I don't want it to be too big because we will not have enough material. If we do that, we're gonna need to make the horns as well. How do I even draw in this? I think I'll use the back side of it. Alright, so let's fold it in half. Is that even legal to fold a glitter paper in half? I bet no one's done it before. Alright, now we're gonna cut out a curve. Looks like this. And then a big screaming face. And we've got the bean looking eyes. Baked bean looking eyes. Okay, I'm sorry. And then we've got the nose somewhere right over there. There's that. There's that. And then a massive mouth. Just like that. Now I think we're ready to cut it out. We want the eyes a bit closer, so I'll go for that. I'll try that out. But first, let's cut out the general shape of it. It's not easy to cut, is it? This is gonna be a hassle. A hassle, I mean. Oh, the glitter is getting everywhere. I hate working with glitter, but I'm excited to see how this one turns out. A glitter mask, I've never tried that before. And if it turns out great, you guys should give it a try as well. If I'm posting this video, that probably means it turned out well, or at least well enough for you guys to try it out. Now the mouth. That looks good. Now let's do the mouth. Okay, that side looks good. That side looks weird. Oh my god, glitter everywhere. This is not good. Then the nose. Okay, we don't need that. Now the eyes. How are we gonna do the eyes? Should we just cut it out? Like, yeah, let's just do it. No one's gonna notice that. I want them to be a bit close to each other, so let's improvise a little bit here. I don't want them to go too far out, so let's improvise here as well. By that I mean I'm not following these directions, I'm going however I want. Okay, how am I gonna... Oh god, okay, there it is. That does not look bad. Let's do the horns later on. Let's work on our hole areas. I think we should use a black A4 for this entire project. Alright, first let's draw what kind of pieces we need. Definitely need this up to there, so might as well make it entirely one piece. There's one piece, and then we'll be using one more right there. So let's use an entire piece for that, about this big. Alright, let's cut these two off. Alright, so we've got the two pieces cut off like this, so it's gonna look like that. But before I do that, I'm gonna give it a 3D look. And in order to do that, I need to take this sticker off. Actually, let's just plan ahead so it won't that much problem later on. One fold can go there. One fold can go there. Maybe not. One fold can go there. One fold can go there. And then we need to go like this, so two folds can go there. And one fold can go right there. Alright, so a total of 5 folds we're going to be making this time. I think it's going to turn out just fine. So taking the sticker off. This is satisfying. It's like peeling off a guitar sticker for the first time. Well, my guitar got stuck in the... My guitar sticker got stuck in the screws, so it wasn't as satisfying for me. Either way, let's just fold this like that. There's one fold. There's two folds. And there's 3 folds. 4. And the last one, 5. Right there. That looks weird, what happened there. Maybe the folds were a bit too big. And I need to chop this off. That one looks like actually decent enough, so I think I'll keep it. So let's stick our black paper in there. Too big. There it is. One stuck. One more to go. Now if you want to be able to see through it, I'd recommend, if you want to wear it, I'd recommend putting white paper on the gum part and cutting out holes on the eye part, but I'm using this as a prop, so I won't be needing that. To stick this properly, it's not sticking in very well. Alright, that looks decent enough. Now next step would be to, let's fold this inwards a little bit to make it look more 3D, and a little fold right there as well. Make it like 3D. Alright, now the horns. I don't know how to do the horns. Just stick them like that. I was planning on making cones, but I don't have enough material to do that, so let's do it like this one. This is the Japanese kitsune mask. It's got these triangle things as horns. The other side is empty, so I think I'll do something similar to that. So what would that look like? Do triangles like this. Alright, so the table is getting a bit messy, but I managed to complete 2 cones as I had initially planned, and now I plan to stick them in there like that. Right, so it goes in right there, and then I use my trusty stapler to permanently fit it in there. Now on the back side as well. And there's no stapler. This happens every time. It's like, it's super frustrating. Just can't. Okay, let me quickly finish this up and I'll see you when it's done. Alright, so the big reveal in 3, 2, 1. There it is. Our masquerade mask. It's not a masquerade mask. This is just an ordinary ghost face. Red ghost face with horns. 3D horns. Very cool. That's how it looks on the inside. You can cut out holes right there if you want to see through it. And that's about it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you got some inspiration to do some paper crafts. And if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment me down below what should I do next in my next video, and share my videos. Thank you. Bye bye.